Hi, this is Chris Lambert-Gorwyn, and I'm a founder of a Passion to Profit for Practitioners success system. Now, I've had an amazing day working with my charity Teens Unite Fighting Cancer, running a motivational workshop for the teens to help them step into the very greatness of who they are, having come through cancer. Now I get to do the other fun bit of my day, which is I get to spend time with my family, I'm visiting my parents and coming to the local village bonfire and firework display. So this is for me a perfect day, a chance to give back first and a chance to enjoy family time second. I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a great weekend, and I hope if tonight it's a lovely clear night, I hope you get to see some great fireworks. Have a great weekend.